Sponsored by.
Prior to his first visit to North Korea in 24 years, Russian President Vladimir Putin pledged to cooperate with North Korea to strengthen both regimes' resistance to Western sanctions. The Russian president, who would arrive in Pyongyang for a two-day visit late on Tuesday, has drawn United States attention, which would be closely watching the two-day trip, which is hinting at a closer military partnership between the nuclear-armed nations. President Putin's first trip to North Korea in 2 decades and a rare overseas trip since Russia's full invasion of Ukraine highlights the deepening alignment between the two countries that has raised widespread concerns. The visit is expected to further cement a burgeoning partnership between the two powers founded on their shared animosity towards the West. The visit also comes due to Putin's dire need for support in his ongoing war on Ukraine. Notably, Putin hailed North Korea for firmly supporting Moscow's war in Ukraine, according to an article he penned for the Korean Central News Agency. Prior to his visit, Putin said Russia and North Korea would work closely to resist pressure over Russia's invasion of Ukraine and North Korea's nuclear and ballistic missile program. He further underlined how both nations are actively developing a many-sided partnership, such as their common line as stand at the UN. In a press briefing about Putin's visit, his aide, Yuri Ushakov, stated on Monday that the Russian president's trip to North Korea will have a very eventful agenda, where both leaders plan to sign a new strategic partnership. Putin's aide clarified that the agreement is not provocative or aimed against other countries, but is meant to ensure greater stability in Northeast Asia. Notably, Putin has just signed a treaty that will see Russia get a further boost of military supplies for its war on Ukraine, while North Korea will be supported economically and with a technological upgrade to its nuclear arsenal. Visuals of North Korean streets being covered with images of Putin are making the rounds online, while the Western world is anxiously watching. The United States, South Korea, and other countries have accused North Korea of providing substantial military aid to Russia for its war in Ukraine, while many have raised concerns that Moscow might have violated international sanctions to aid Pyongyang's military satellite program. Additionally, Kim had just last week hailed the future of Russia and North Korea's meaningful ties and close camaraderie in a message to Putin commemorating Russia's National Day on June 12. Whereas Putin asserted that the two countries will develop alternative mechanisms of trade that are not controlled by the West and jointly resist illegitimate restrictions.